as units of observation.
Yes.
And not complete documents.
Yes.
Because we're not talking about the interview itself, or the person behind the interview,
Yes.
or the heart or the mind of the person. We're talking about what they say in a specific moment, in a specific interaction.
Yes.
And for that reason, the context of what is being said is so important. And therefore, if you double click on verse, you can see most of the time there was a clear agreement with the doctors and nurses, except sometimes when the parents came in like in panic, like I can't sleep and the baby's crying all night, and then the doctors and nurses were saying, you're all right, that's perfectly normal, it will be fine, a couple of weeks, and so they were de-stressing them, and then the doctors would fill in, parents are okay, whereas they were very stressed. Well, they were okay when they left the doctor.